Well, how on children do this year, the Queen Quet coming to her from this year, Gullah Geechee Nation and Gullah Geechee TV Nation News. Inside Oil Tunji African Village, the Oil Tunji Kingdom, where they are inside the Gullah Geechee Nation. So, Hana children, this year, the festival for Oshun, rivers, waters, Oshun, love, golden, richness, black gold. So, Hana children, join we, because Hana know this year, the work going on.
like to briefly introduce a special guest that we have with us in our kingdom today. We would like to introduce everyone to the Iya Osun of Osogbo.
It's a great honor to be able to tell you a bit more about Iya Osun. She has come here for a brief visit, but as many of you know, and some of you might not know, she is the chief priestess of Osun in Nigeria. You know that our religion has been under assault in the motherland, but the one place that it has been the strongest, that all Yoruba people of faith have gathered together for the most important annual rituals in the worship of the Orisha is Osogbo. Thanks to Iya Osun, the tradition remains alive. And more of our people, not just in the Americas, but also in Nigeria, are coming back. So I salute Iya Osun.
Agbára àgbo, Yelelu àgbo, agbára àgbo, Osun tó lágbàdé ewújí mokore yeye Osun.
I know that I speak for Iya Osun in saying thank you so much for the Iya Osun of Oyotunji for giving such a warm welcome, and for all of the Aruba and for all of the priestesses. You have been most kind, and most of all to Kabiesi. Thank you very much for
We are very grateful. Kabiesi Oba Adejuigbe Egunjobi Adefumi Ekeji is very happy to receive the Iya Osun of Osogbo. And we look forward to continuing this relationship between Osun Oyotunji and Osun Osogbo. We look forward to seeing the Iya Osun in the future and continuing this relationship. We have another person of high status, a diplomat with us today, the representative of the whole entire Gullah Geechee nation around the world. We have the chiefess, Queen Kwet of the Gullah nation here with us today.
Good evening, I'm glad for the Oyotunji.
Alafia.
I'm glad for the my sister. From we were there, from we land, and Gullah Geechee nation, we are sending greeting back to the family in the motherland. So glad that another day with you, for we ancestors, the communication. bring me up, the water why I take you back. God bless you. My brother.
God bless
So
you.
glad for there. One more again.
Thank you.
Greetings from the whole of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We come from Florida, back up here. Just for honor.
Thank you.
So I'm glad for there. They drum the wine. This your day. The river, the water. Without we. This your, the we bloodline. This your land. So I'm so glad for keep this your, the wine young. So the people in the north say, the Yoruba, the part of the Gullah Geechee. Then in the north say, Nigeria, the part of we. So this year, that the land, for Hana can still hold for this year part of we down here. So we know say, Hana the first Gullah Geechee Yoruba. And we so glad for all of them here. So from we Minister Information Elder Carly Town, all the council of elders, assembly of representatives for the Gullah Geechee Nation, we give greetings to all 100 children and blessings for all your country.
Thank you.
And for those who don't know, there is Yoruba land in Nigeria and we have Geechee land here. So for those visitors to the Low Country, welcome to Geechee land. I say, that way we can.
Omoya.
Oh, Omoya, calling for Omoya, Baba. Yo.
Gbogbo ọmọ yá tiwa. Gbogbo ọmọ yá tiwa. Gbogbo ọmọ yá tiwa.